Hello everyone, welcome to Lakshmi Chaya. So today I am here with a very special recipe. So that is the item which we usually buy from the stores and everybody at home likes to have them. They are nothing but the cookies. So how about if we could make them at home easily? Yeah, that will be great, right? Today I am preparing whole wheat butter almond cookies. So come on, let's start and see how to prepare them. So firstly, we need obviously the whole wheat flour. Okay, so 1.5 cup I have taken here. Next is the powdered sugar, normal white sugar. I just powdered it, around 3/4 cup. Then the butter. This is the salted butter I am using. Then comes few chopped almonds. Then the baking powder, half teaspoon, and 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda and milk. Okay, that is around 1/4 cup I have taken here, but let's see and use accordingly. And a whisk. So to begin, here in a bowl I am taking the butter. This butter is in the room temperature. Okay, this is a must. The butter should be in the room temperature. Then to this I am adding the powdered sugar. Around 3/4 cup powdered sugar I am using. Now let us mix everything nicely. See, the butter and the sugar should get nicely incorporated and it should form like a cream like texture. The butter should be at the room temperature itself so that it will be easy for us to beat it. So nicely around 3 to 4 minutes it took me. Now you can see it has formed nice creamy texture. Now let's add the dry ingredients. So here we have to add the baking powder and the baking soda along with the wheat flour. Okay, this will help the soda and the powder to mix thoroughly with the wheat flour. So here after sieving, let us mix everything nicely. It will be a crumble texture. Once it is thoroughly mixed, now let's add the milk. So first I am adding just 3 spoons of milk. We will add the milk gradually as per our requirement. So we have to just mix the batter here. We have to make it like around almost like a chapati dough, but we should not knead it. Be careful, with no need to knead the dough, just lightly mix it. So now all the dough has combined well. Now let us add the almonds. This chopped almonds, around 8 to 10 almonds I have chopped here, finely chopped. Just mix it in the dough. So now once dough is mixed well, now just take small portion out of it and roll it between the palm and lightly press them, and yes, you can see how nicely it has come. Okay, same way let us do with the other cookies as well. Okay, once everything is done, I am placing the almonds on the top of it. I am just keeping it on a normal steel plate. And now our cookies are ready to be baked. So for that, here I am taking a pan and keeping a stand in it. You can also keep any bowl and a plate. Let us cover it and let it preheat for around 5 minutes. Preheating is always important in the baking. Okay, once our pan is heated, now let us place in the cookies tray and take care it should not touch the sides of the pan. It should be little in the center. Now let us cover it and bake for just 15 to 20 minutes. It's been 20 minutes now. And yes, you can see our cookies are nicely baked. See, the brown color around the sides of the cookies indicates that they are nicely baked. Oh, aren't they looking delicious? Now we have to let it cool to the room temperature. Once it gets cool, it will become nice crisp. So now it is cooled and it's ready to be served. So the nice texture. An evening with these delicious cookies and a cup of tea is just a wow. Please do try this recipe and let me know how it turned out to you in the comment section below. I'll be waiting for your valuable comments. And please do like this video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.